Hi everyone, here we've got ZTE Axon 11 5G, and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose System, and here we've got date and time, so let's tap on it. As you can see, now we are using network provided time, but if you want to set it manually, simply tap on the switcher right here to turn it off. And now the date and time is active, so we can tap on it and manually, by swiping, change the date just like you want. Click on OK, and as you can see, it is immediately applied, and the same situation will be with the time, so let's tap on it, and by swiping you can change it just like you want. Click on OK, and it is also immediately applied. Of course, you can use, we are using network provided time zone, but we can set it manually the same way. So let's tap on the switcher to turn it off and click on the time zone. We can choose the region, and the time zone is automatically changed. So let's get back, and we can also customize the time format. Now we are using local default, but if you want to set the 24-hour format, simply tap on the switcher right here to turn it off and click on the switcher under it to turn the 24-hour format. And as you can see, it is also immediately applied. If you want to get back to all previous settings, then simply tap on the switchers in order to use network provided time and time zone. So that's all. This is how to customize and set date and time in your ZTE Axon 11 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.